So I've been researching this new plug-in solar system thing and watched, like, I don't know, untold videos on YouTube of loads of people talking about how you should plug it in, what you shouldn't do, the rules, the law, and all that kind of nonsense. But anyway, I found a couple of good YouTubers, which I'll name in the at the end of the video. But basically what it is a complete solar system combined into one little box. So it's all your MPPTs, your charger, your battery, the app, everything is combined into this one little box. And this is called the future of solar. I don't know, all this solar power that people are having on their houses costing them £10,000, £15,000 with all this stuff on boards and all this complicated wiring and all that. This plug-in solar is the future and pretty much does away with all that crap. So what it is, basically, it's got this particular one that I've got, it's called the EcoFlow STREAM Ultra. It's got 4 MPPT inputs in the back of it, and each one takes 500 watts. And it's a maximum of 2000 watts input solar charging. So it's a fair old whack, you know what I mean? And the actual unit that I've got is the Ultra X, and I think it's pretty much close to 4 AH hours. So it's probably what, 2 batteries that are inside it. I mean, it's quite a lot of battery backup, to be honest. And like, I mean, I've used it for what, 2 weeks now. And if you charge it during the day up to sort of 95%, I mean, we charge it to 95% to protect the battery, keep that like 5% like in reserve, you know what I mean? Anyway, yeah, charge it to 95% over the night. It probably, like with my base load of the house, probably drops to about what, 55%. So not even half of the battery is used overnight. And then probably what, at 5 o'clock in the morning we get up and then yeah, in summer it starts charging again at like 5:30, which is pretty good, to be honest. And then what I've done is I've bought this other battery pack. It's called the Aferiy P280. It's got a 2800 watt output inverter. So it outputs like 2800 watts, which is, that's pretty much like, that's plenty like for most high powered appliances. I mean, what, your hairdryer, that's probably like what, 1700 watts. Kettles, I don't know, good ones, they probably range from about 1500 watts to 3000. I mean, yeah, 3000 watts is a bit like OTT. You don't really need that. I mean, I just bought a new one. It's what, 1500 watts, and it boils probably half the time as the 3000 watt one, so it all makes no sense to me. But anyway, it still draws 3000 watts but boils twice as slow, so work that one out. Anyway, yeah, with this new Aferiy P280 what I do is plug it in at the back of the STREAM Ultra X, and then when I get up in the morning and the STREAM Ultra X charges to 90%, I set it at 90%. What happens is at 90%, it turns the AC on the back of it on, and then that charges the Aferiy P280. Bloody amazing. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh mate. Come here, boy. Okay. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, so yeah, that gets to, I think it's about what, 11 o'clock, and then it starts charging the Aferiy, and then that's probably charged by 1 o'clock. So yeah, pretty much like on good days, even if it's cloudy, both batteries are charged by about 2 o'clock full. And then obviously I've still got the solar all day topping them up while I'm using the kettle and stuff like that off the Aferiy. Anyway, I'll have to do another video about that, and I'll probably put a link in the bottom to the guy I've been watching, because he's the one that was the knowledgeable person about this all. Anyway, right, till tomorrow.